back to the United States, we will be sharing with our churches what we have seen, the first American Baptist to be here in over 50 years.
Si American Baptist Churches na hikai khoti loi kum somalen tiang khatikhan missionary dong ngai ti loi chungi krifa bu hanan ning vial te la tu ta ni kan humi vial te na he USA kan kirte ka kan hoi kan kom Baptist krifa bu vial te zong kan chim na lai.
And I'm so grateful for the partnership that American Baptist Churches has with the Chin Baptist Churches, USA.
American Baptist Churches zong ni hin kan long tuk mi chu Chin Baptist Churches USA hi mun khata rian tuan ti khowin kan mi he se.
We are like the right hand and the left hand of one body.
Si all lei kut le ke lei kut bantukin pum sakhati mi bantukan se.
And we work together
Mun khata rian kan toy
with great joy.
Lung lop nak he rian kan tuan ti.
And we look forward to the ways that we can join with you in deeper ways to further the mission and to strengthen the congregations here in the southern Chin State.
Si khang lei lai ram phim ma han zai tin da krifa bu han da thoi kholai ti mi phim zong he mun khata cham chi rian tuan ti he kan thin lung in thuk te win rian tuan ti he kan du mi se.
We are praying for the talks around the national ceasefire agreement.
Si kan ni zong ni chun kan chau nan chau za pi khati dai na kum khon na ha dinga bia iru na tu mi vial te ha cha zong an tha kan sam.
Well, here in Burma, we have been visiting many different people about the peace process and about the ceasefire, including Aung San Suu Kyi.
Si tu ta ni kan ra zong ai hin zai tin da nan rama dai na kum kholai ti in rian ngi tu pa vial te ha zong ka kan ton nai do Aung San Suu Kyi him zong kha ama mui te kan va mu.
And we pray that a national ceasefire that honors you and your integrity, your self-determination, and that guarantees equality for all citizens will soon be signed.
Si atu bantukin ramdai na sadinga bia na ro mi le min thu tinga na som chu ama mi kong zong ai hin nan ma chiao zong kha pathian ni answer ning hanin te in ki nan si kho nak le si kho ve ding rim zong in nan cha ma te tu thim na ngai kho min si kho na ha ding tiang achan kho na ha ding a khan kha kan cham piak min ha chu se.
We will continue to press for a Burma that is truly democratic, that is truly a place where all people can live equally and where you have a right to live as Christians with equality with others in this country.
Si hi ka ramai hin nan ram thoi tu ha zong ni mikip kha eruang ten I kheidan na ong lo ten khosak tun tu kho na nun na anin pe kho na ha ringa hin kan ma zong ni kan si kho to kan chim pek lai tu o tia kan thi pek ha lai kan zom chiao lai.